Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss worksheet number 14 for class 8 for the date 6th September 2021. Students, today is Monday and we are going to continue with the chapter Tsunami. Now we have all read tsunami. We all know what tsunami is and how it comes. So now let us discuss this first question, that is A part. Do you think tsunami can strike these places? Write yes or no for each part. Hilly areas such as Shimla. Tsunami cannot come in such areas, obviously, because there is no sea here. So this will not come. Well, let us strike it out. Sea coast such as Mumbai, yes, tsunami can come here. Plains such as Delhi, no, it cannot. Desert areas such as Jodhpur, again it cannot come. Now let us read about another young girl from Andaman Nicobar Islands who survived the disaster. And this is from page number 26 and 27 of Honeydew book of yours. So let us now read this extract which is given here, and it says Almaz Javed was 10 years old. She was a student of Caramel Convent in Port Blair, where her father had a petrol pump. Her mother Rahila's home was in Nancowry Island. The family had gone there to celebrate Christmas. Now, when the tremors came early in the morning, the family was sleeping. Alma's father saw the sea water recede. He understood that the water would come rushing back with great force. He woke everyone up and tried to rush them to a safer place. सो ही न्यू एल्मास फादर, उन्होंने देख लिया था कि पानी जो है वो इस तरह से आ रहा है एंड इट विल कम बैक. सो उनको आइडिया हो गया दैट इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी अ डिज़ास्टर, एंड सो ही वोक अप एवरीबडी एंड ट्राई टू टेक देम टू अ सेफर प्लेस. एज दे रैन, हर ग्रैंड फादर वॉज हिट इन द हेड बाय समथिंग एंड ही फेल डाउन. और जैसे ही वो भाग रहे थे उसके ग्रैंड फादर के सिर पे कुछ लगा और वो गिर गए. Her father rushed to help him. Then came the first giant wave that swept both of them away. और अलमा के फादर ही रैन टू हेल्प हिज फादर, एंड देन द फर्स्ट जाइंट वेव केम, और उसी समय बहुत बड़ी सी वेव आई एंड इट स्वेप्ट देम बोथ ऑफ देम अवे, और उनको दोनों को बहा कर ले गई. एल्मास मदर एंड आंट स्टूड क्लिंगिंग टू द लीव्स ऑफ द कोकोनट ट्री, और वो एल्मा की मदर आंट वो सब कोकोनट ट्री के साथ बिल्कुल चिपक के खड़े रहे, कॉलिंग आउट टू हर. A wave uprooted the tree and they too were washed away. और एक वेव आई और उस ट्री को भी वो अप्रूट उखाड़ के ले गई और उन लोगों को भी ले गई अपने साथ. एल्मा सॉ अ लॉग ऑफ वुड फ्लोटिंग. एल्मा ने क्या देखा? एक वुड की लॉग थी, बहुत बड़ी सी वुड होती है वो थी. शी क्लाइम्ड ऑन टू इट देन शी फेंटेड. और वो उसके ऊपर चढ़ गई और वो उसके बाद वो बेहोश हो गई. When she woke up, she was in hospital in कमोरता. और जब वो उठी, when she woke up, वो उसने अपने आप को कहाँ देखा? She was in hospital. From there, she was brought to Port Blair. और वहाँ से उसको Port Blair ले आए. The little girl does not want to talk about the incident with anyone. और अब ये जो little girl है, she does not want to talk about, क्योंकि ये इतना भयानक इंसिडेंट था. she does not want to talk about it to anyone. she is still traumatized. इतनी डरी हुई है वो कि वो किसी से बात नहीं करना चाहती. now sequence the events as they occur in the passage above. write the correct serial number in the boxes. so पहले उसमें क्या है बच्चे? in the first one it is the wave that has come. ठीक है, सबको बहा के लेके जा रही है. सेकंड में एल्मा हॉस्पिटल में लेटी है, और थर्ड वाले में इट इज़ द फर्स्ट वे. सो इट विल बी फर्स्ट हेयर, सेकंड हेयर एंड थर्ड हेयर. Now answer the following questions by selecting the correct option. Why did Alma's father wake up his family? To celebrate Christmas? No. To rush them to a safer place? Yes. Alma did not want to talk about the incident with anyone because she was unwell, or she was shocked as she lost her family members? Yes, she was shocked. She is still traumatized. Alma's mother and aunts could not be saved from tsunami because the tree they held on to got uprooted. जिस ट्री से वो चिपक के खड़े थे वो uproot हो गया. Yeah, they held on to a log of wood and got drowned. No, Alma hugged और held on to a log of wood और वो faint हो गई और बच गई. लेकिन जिस ट्री के साथ वो लोग खड़े थे वो uproot होके it went washed them away. So students, this was your worksheet. Now I hope you will all complete it fast and send it across to your teachers. Okay, bye bye.